Transform your living space into a stylish haven by adorning your windows with thoughtful and creative decorations. Here's a guide to help you achieve a beautifully decorated window interior. Curtains and drapes. Start with high-quality curtains or drapes that complement your room's color scheme and style. Experiment with different fabrics and textures. Sheer curtains allow light to filter through, while heavier fabrics provide privacy and insulation. Layered window treatments. Create depth and visual interest by layering different window treatments. Combine blinds, shades, and curtains for a customized look. Use a combination of sheer and blackout curtains for versatile light control. Valances and cornices. Enhance the top of your window with valances or cornices. These decorative additions add flair and can tie together your room's design. Opt for valances in patterns or colors that complement your overall decor. Window blinds and shades. Explore various blind and shade options to match your style and functional needs. Wooden blinds add warmth, while Roman shades provide a classic touch. Choose motorized options for modern convenience. Window seat decor. If you have a window seat, adorn it with plush cushions, throw pillows, and a cozy blanket for a charming and comfortable nook.